All right, guys, 2005 Chevy Silverado SS 6.0 Super Sport. Nicely finished in white with sexy wheels. Really nice truck. Got an airbag system on it and everything. What we got done on it for you guys? He wanted it loud, so we said, we got you. Factory converter there, factory converter there. Then we true dualed it. It already comes true dual, so he had a cherry bomb on it from another shop. It didn't sound good at all, so we took it off and true dualed it and dumped it in the middle right there. So he can access his airbags and everything without any issues, all right? So there it is, 2.5 inch, dumped right there, out the back. Look at that, beautiful, sexy. Compared to what I had on it before. It was widened into a single with a cherry bomb, just horrible. Took all that off, cleaned it up for him. There it is, SS truck. Very nice, very beautiful truck too. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. If you're ever in the area, hit us up. Much better. Oh, that's sick, bro. Look at his smile. Yeah. Here's sound decibels. 119, guys. That's awesome. Go to back it out. Look at that thing, it's beautiful, man. I love that truck. That stance is perfect. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Chevy SS. There she goes. Oh, that sounds so good.